Welcome to Exploring Wealth. It's Today I'm coming up with my today I don't have patients in my clinic, so I'll come up with something really amazing which has not been covering in many of the channels. It's a kind of one opportunity which most of the people they are actually waiting for such an opportunity to come in their lifetime. So I feel personally this X stocks which are coming, which is connecting the TradeFi to the blockchain and crypto world. After all the legislation, everything, they come up with a stock and they have hindrance usually on Saturday and Sunday, Friday to Sunday, because and the bad news comes, people are worried they cannot trade on such, especially the Sunday. But when the exposure to cryptocurrency is there, where you don't have to have KIC, it's decentralized, permissionless, instant finality, and borderless, you can directly do in a decentralized way deal with the stocks as they are uh, launching their own tokens which are backed by the stocks itself, and it works in a system of arbitrage, which is something which I can come in later. So that's how the balance is maintained with the Oracle, which is the chain link. So failures are less. But right now, as the bull market is progressing, usually we won't see such any bad news, because they want trust of the people, so that people purchase. And just imagine trillions of dollars which are coming back into blockchain from the TradFi, Wall Streets, and all those big players into blockchain, into this sector, the X stocks. And they have launched their tokens on exchanges as well as like Bybit, Gate.io, Maxi, and other exchanges. But it is on decentralized blockchains like Solana. It is on Arbitrum, and it is on BNB chain as well, where people can get easy access, and they are doing in a very wise way. So I feel it's a one-time life opportunity where we can make huge gains. We have Tesla, you have MicroStrategy, Coinbase, Nvidia, Google, Google stocks, and what they have been listed on the exchanges. You do your own research. I'm just sharing because this is something new, and I want to get the best for people, because I would rather trade the Reploy, Eigenlayer, and some good technologies which are low market cap accordingly. But these stocks, X stocks on blockchain, they are trading at so less market cap value. It's like the Tesla is the largest with 5 million market cap, low supply, and even though the maximum supply they have shown as infinite, but I feel for certain period of time, because stock has to be verified and showed to the authorities, and then that the level of stock which is regulatory compliant, they will launch this parallel token. And there are some a lot of companies which are coming, like Robinhood, and there is one more name I'm not remembering. They are collateralizing one stock to one share, D share, something like that. Dinar company, I think. So this is happening in something in new. I hope you love the video. Give a positive comments. Of course, I'm a positive person, bringing you positive content based on what it is required. Even though for health content, I don't know what I have to say today, because I didn't plan this video. I had time. I just make. And let me see what is right in front of me, and I can just say something about some condition. For example, right now we have aneurysmal bone cyst. People usually come with, it's a benign cystic bony lesion which has sclerotic margins, expansile, and it's painful. Usually eccentrically it is located, and there is no, it's usually, it doesn't transform mostly into a carcinoma. So you have to have a follow-up. If you have any bone pain, do an x-ray and get this thing done, and rule out if it is if there is narrow zone of transition in the bone window. Like if it's having a wide zone of transition, then it's more progressing towards any cancer. So we'll call it the medical side today for today. And coming back to the X tokens, so this is the episode 1 of the series. I'll get information on these tokenized assets. So I'm taking a risk, and just imagine market cap is around 2 million for, I think, for Coinbase stock, and the trading volume is around 11 million. So it's like, just imagine how the price appreciation can go. But the uh, tokens in supply and circulation is like the ratios 0.3 to 0.5. So there could be some situation of dilution, but if lot big money is coming, so dilution won't be much of a problem in bull markets. But this is just my opinion. Do your own research. Have a nice time. Stay positive. Peace. And this is my second live session, so I don't know how to even stop. I just started, and okay, I don't know where to stop, how to stop. Stop it. I hope the efforts which I put shouldn't be in any vain done. Okay, let me. You want to stop streaming? Yes, and so yeah, cheers, bye.